girl's a star, my baby. No one's touching my lady. My girl's a star, my sugar. Always give me that good. My girl's a star, believe me. Do whatever to please. My girl's a star.
What's up, Pete? How you doing?
Never been there. What's cracking over there?
What's up?
What it do? How are you guys doing today? As you can see or you can hear, I sound a little sick, and this is 2 days after the Hawaii trip. So just got back, and I want to show you guys what we got, and we're gonna taste them. So we went to this place in Hawaii where we went to the swap meet, and it's pretty much like the flea market. I bought some of these salt, and then there was this grocery store that had all what do you call it? All
like
of the
goodies.
All the goodies for
Traveling. It's called Don Quijote.
yeah, traveling, and that's where we got most of this stuff, because they don't sell at the ABC stores anymore. So yeah. So today I have
Hello.
Hello.
CJ, and Bellers. So
And mommy.
we got a bunch of stuff here. But first, yeah, we're gonna go right to it. So what do you guys want to try first?
Why don't you show them what you got from the swap meet, your season?
Oh yeah. So from the swap meet, I got I got Hawaiian salt, a big Hawaiian salt that I'm gonna be just using for like steak to put on top. But I also got a red Hawaiian salt. Look at that, guys.
Wow.
Red Hawaiian salt. You can try this out too.
Oh, what?
This one is a smoked salt. It's called Kiawi salt, and this is the guava garlic salt. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much what I got in the swap meet. And
ABC store.
this is what I got at the ABC store.
Wow.
It's a cutting board. It's a surfboard and a pineapple looking cutting board.
That's kind of actually cool.
I'm not gonna be using it for cutting, mainly for probably putting food on it and just doing some mukbang. So stay tuned for the mukbangs.
Where'd you put Adam?
And then, oh yeah, we got this at the grocery store. It's a red one. I've never seen the red one, and it's the barbecue rings. So that sounded good to me. That's why I got it. I got 2 teas. I got a passion fruit, Nepali tea, and a
Passion fruit.
all natural tropical black tea. Gonna be trying that as well. And this is cool. I never seen this before. It's a guava jelly.
Wow.
So it's not grape, it's not strawberry, it's guava. I'm not sure if you could buy this in Cali, but I bought it in Hawaii because I thought you could only buy this there. And then butters. I got a hapia butter. We got the guava butter. And then this one is the lilikoi butter. Because of this, it was like on it. And a bunch of candies and chocolates. So, we've been eating, we've been eating some of these. So, this is just the macadamia nut. It's an onion and garlic flavor. Also, I got some chocolates. I got some. Another one is called the Mac Nut Crunch. You can see right there. It's milk chocolate covered macadamia and crisp rice. To me, it's like the
I love you.
what do you call it? The crunch.
No.
Crunch bar and that you buy. And then I have these little mini ones. This one is macadamia milk chocolate. This one is the macadamia honey roasted.
I think we also got a dark chocolate somewhere.
Oh, and a dark chocolate macadamia nut. I'm gonna be trying that. And then moving on to the candies. We got the Li Hing. These are gummy peach O's. Yum. Try that. Li Hing jumbo watermelon. Yum.
These ones are all the sour ones.
This one is the Li Hing sour apples. Li Hing sour pineapples.
These are the ones Bella has.
And then this one is the Li Hing gummy bears.
And
then-
cool in the back.
Yeah. Li Hing sour lychee.
Oh, I like this one.
Cool. So we're gonna be trying all that, and like I said, I'm also gonna be posting a video of my Hawaii trip on this, probably on this video at the end. So make sure you guys watch throughout the end and see what we've been through. It's just a little small clips of it, and yeah, let's get right to it. What do you guys want to try first? You guys want to try this, the salts? Yeah, it's just salt. Let's try the salt.
Put it on your.
Hi.
spoon.
Okay.
Or just pour it onto your hand.
Put on your hand.
I
It's just salt.
I don't want.
CJ doesn't get salt because he's picky, and he's a
I'm
baby.
picky too.
So this is the Kiawe smoked salt. All right, let's try it, guys. Ready? It's just salty.
Like sea salt. Oh, sea salt.
Does it taste different, or
That's actually really good.
is it just smoke? Do you taste
It's
the
not as
smoke?
salty.
I like it though.
Do you taste the smoke
I
on it?
probably didn't get enough to taste the smoke to it, but I'm sure if we put it on meat, it'll be
It's
better.
good.
It's not salty. I mean, it's a little bit salty. I don't taste the
It's not a
smoke on it.
salty one.
It says
I don't like
Hawaiian sea salt with smoky flavor. Kiawe Hawaiian mesquite. Great on steak, salmon burgers, fish, and sliced tomatoes. Oh, we did try this on sliced tomatoes yesterday.
Oh, that was really good.
That was really good. All right, let's try this one. This one is the guava garlic salt.
Oh, I don't want it.
Okay.
If that was open, then it would fall out.
Let's try a little bit.
No, it's chunky.
No,
Yeah, because of the guava.
No more.
it's good.
No.
This little small one?
Pink.
Let's try the whole thing. All right.
Mama, it's pink.
This one is ingredients: Hawaiian sea salt, garlic, black ground pepper, natural guava flavoring, gluten-free vinegar, vegetable extract. Guava garlic salt.
I don't like it. I don't want water.
It just has like a little garlic flavor.
Mm.
I can't.
This one's really good. It's kind of like your,
I had that on my eggs this morning.
garlic salt. All right, last one.
Maybe Bella won't try that one.
Look, this one's just red Hawaiian salt. Red Hawaiian sea salt. Highly revered all over the world, this salt is high in antioxidants due to minerals in a red volcanic clay. Replace your salt with this.
Okay.
So let's see how this is. Yeah, we're all stuffed up, guys. We didn't try this one yet.
Yeah.
Okay, red Hawaiian sea salt.
Mommy.
Just sea salt.
It's just sea salt.
Just sea salt. It's just red, but
And blue.
it's
No,
cool how
no
it's.
different than any other sea salt, in my opinion. But maybe it's just the way it's.
It's
made.
just it's high in antioxidants, which is good for you.
Stop, stop.
All right,
Let's do the chocolates.
Yeah.
let's do this chip.
You want to try the chips? Okay.
All right, we're gonna try the chips.
I don't want it.
It's not red chip. It's onion chip.
I don't want
So this
it.
is
I don't
luau barbecue rings.
Try one, Bella's.
Let's smell it first. It's cool. They're not little big rings. They're little small rings.
Go ahead, Bella. Grab one.
I don't want it.
Okay. CJ won't try this one.
Grab one.
All right.
Come on. Let's.
Cheers, y'all.
Let's try this. That one's good.
That's good.
Mmm.
A little bit spicy though. I want it. I still like it.
Try it. It's barbecue.
Try it.
Try one.
Oh, that's a little bit spicy.
That's really good.
There's a little kick to it.
Yeah, it's a little spicy.
Bella. Bella.
Yeah, this is good.
On your mouth. Okay, water.
One barbecue ring. Thumbs up. All right,
That was really
let's
good.
go to the chocolates.
Can I take that one? That was better.
Let's try the Mac Crunch.
No, there's enough for all of us on this one, TJ.
Yeah.
No, it's me.
You can try one.
You and mommy share. You take bites.
Half one with Bella.
Okay.
And then me and TJ will share one.
Can't really bite it, so I'm gonna take a bite and then pass it around. So this is the Mac
Oh,
Crunch.
what?
Oh, you bite first. Do big half bite. Cause I'm sick.
Take a small bite.
How is it?
Mommy, I want some. Oh, that's good.
Me and TJ will share
It's
this one.
like crunchy and chocolatey.
Take a bite, Papa.
I want to eat the whole thing.
What do you think?
So Mac Crunch. Never had that one before. That one is
Tara, what you think?
thumbs up, guys.
Mmm.
That one was good.
That's
I
really
wish we got more of that now.
Yeah. That was good. All right.
good.
Hey, your matcha one's missing.
I think someone ate it.
Mmm.
We had a matcha one, but it's all gone. You guys want to try this milk chocolate?
Let's do the milk chocolate, yeah.
All right, this one is the milk chocolate. Let's move all this so they can see it. All right, milk chocolate. Grab one, guys. Whoa.
I like parts of it.
That's how it looks like. Kind of weird, huh?
Here, CJ.
Hello. Hello.
Milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate.
Chocolate.
All right, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Whoa.
Mm.
I don't really get the nut.
You like it?
That's good. I like it. Soft.
Mm.
Soft. a milk chocolate on the outside.
I'm eating all
Inside's the macadamia nut.
I'm a big pepper.
Oh, good. Caesar wasn't a fan of it. I don't know what. I think he couldn't bite it.
It's good, but
I think that's like the regular one that people normally get, the milk chocolate one. The one that comes in the big box.
No, that one's different because the milk chocolate on the outside is different.
Mmm.
All right, let's try the. This one is the
Honey roasted.
honey roasted. Honey roasted, guys. Ooh, look at that.
Let's go.
Not yet, not yet. We're gonna get to that. Got one? Just try it. It's honey roasted.
It's a peanut.
It's a peanut. It's sweet.
I don't want. I don't want peanut.
I mean, I do like peanut to stop.
Mmm. It's sweet.
The thing that I really want to try is these ones.
What's it called?
Here's the one, dog.
Oh, remember that one over there?
No.
No? Okay.
Oh, try something new.
Well, I guess we don't have any dark.
This one.
All right.
Not yet.
These are just all the same. It's just a nut on the inside, and then just this one's covered in brown sugar. Other one was milk chocolate. The other one's crunch.
Really want it.
All right, let's put that aside.
I want to try this one.
Our candies. Which one do you want to try? You try this one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, it's really good. Cause like in the
You want to try gummy?
looks like inside there's like something.
No, there's nothing inside. But it's really good, trust me. Alright, it's the leafy, sour.
So, we are trying Lihing sour lychee.
Okay, after.
I don't want that.
Smell it.
I want this one, please.
Smells good?
Good.
Oh no.
Oh no, my nail's gone.
Get one. Oh. Okay, get one, Bella.
I don't
Do you want to try it?
No, I want this one.
Looks like there's something
Okay.
inside, but I don't think it's
All right. Was this Lihing sour lychee?
blinking.
Try it.
Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa.
Can't go wrong with that one. That was good. You guys never had lychee like candies? Really good.
It's not sour at all.
That's not sour. It's just a little bit more on the sweet side.
Hey, Jay.
Can you eat this one again?
What do you guys give this?
I give that
A 10 out of 10.
10.
That's so good.
10? Oh. I give it a 4.
A 4 out of 10?
4 out of 5.
Oh, 4 out of 5? Okay, so then a 5 out of 5 for me.
Yeah, 5 out of 5 for me.
All right, I want to
That's
try
so
this next.
Sit down, Lee.
Lihing sour apple.
Well, I've never had that one before.
You can't go wrong with sour apples.
Now the next video we should like do like a freeze dried candies.
All right, Lihing sour apples. Smell it.
Smells like sour apple.
Can't go wrong with apple candy. Apple.
It's a little harder than the last one.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, it's
that's
a little
hard.
It's not as gummier.
All right, guys. Let's try this.
I was eating my nail.
Mmm. You can't go wrong with the apple.
Ooh.
It's a little sticky, so when you bite into it, it sticks in your teeth.
It's a little sour. It's good.
How's it sour?
Apple flavor, on point.
Mm.
I give it a 4 out of 5.
I give it like
It sticks on my
a
tooth.
3.
Yeah, I give it a 4. 3 maybe because I want to taste more of the apple-ish.
Yeah.
And it's sticky, but it's pretty good.
It's really the things I'm complaining
The
about.
apple flavors are.
It's more apple flavor.
Maybe what I want to try as well.
The gummy bear.
Lihing gummy bears.
I want the red one.
See if these are
stick
sour.
to
Are these supposed to be sour or no?
No, I don't think so.
So this is Lihing gummy bears.
Oh, it's just.
Gummy bears with plum powder.
What?
If you guys haven't had Lihing
No,
before,
smell it.
if you guys haven't had Lihing before, it's so good on your candy and fruit.
Yeah,
They
Lihing
have a
is like
whole
some sort
store.
of like
It's like a powder.
kind of like it's a fruit, but they make it into like they have their own little powder.
It's so good, especially on fruit, like the pineapple.
I'm only getting the red
Oh my
one.
gosh, Caesar's gonna eat all of it.
Okay.
Okay.
All right,
Alright.
Lihing gummy bears.
Tastes like just gummy bears. Just less flavor.
Flavor.
Well, I can taste the Lihing. It's all good.
Yeah,
I think
I give this a 4 out of 5 as
two.
well.
I want more Lihing on it.
Needs more Lihing.
I give it a 2.
It's good. I like it.
I like it, but it's not.
Candies.
I like it, but it's just like.
So far, it's 4 out of 5. I haven't
There's
gotten
no.
a 5 out of 5 yet.
I already told Bella not to.
We'll save the watermelon for last.
What?
Lihing sour pineapple rings or Lihing peach O's.
Let's do the
Peach-O's.
You want to do the peach O's? Okay. Then we'll do the pineapple after.
Peach O's.
It's pretty good, but it's just
Go
like.
for it.
Ah! I couldn't put anything apart.
Can you do it? I have spoons in my hand.
You have to put it on
Okay.
There you go.
oh,
Doesn't smell like peaches.
I don't smell it.
This one's my favorite. I chose this one from the store.
I thought it was fun.
Oh, actually, it smells good.
All right. Lihing peach O's. Oh, gummy peach O's.
Finally, I took a bite of it.
I like this one.
Let's see how it's good. I like it.
Looks good.
It's just really hard.
I had to clear some space on the camera because it's full. So what do you guys? We give it a. I give this a 4 again.
I'm gonna open
I give it a 5. That's
Alright.
because I like that one.
Lihing sour pineapple rings.
it.
You give it 3? Okay, you tell the camera.
I did it be.
Don't sit on the table.
Daddy, I did it be.
You give it 3. Okay. Cool.
Alright,
Lihing sour pineapple rings.
I like those two.
Does it smell like pineapples?
It might be the same thing.
No, this one is the pineapple. It's not peach.
I'm scared now.
These ones have a little bigger than the peach O's.
Wait, if you go like this,
But, all right, let's try this.
Sit down, TJ.
Mommy, do this.
No.
Mama made the butterfly. I made the butterfly.
That's good.
I made the
Pineapple.
butterfly.
This one's for sure a 5 out of 5.
This one's a 5 out of 5. I don't know. You gotta taste it, Bella. You gotta taste it. It's just a candy.
I don't like it.
Oh, it's good. Yeah, my favorite so far. 5 out of 5.
Why? You're not even gonna eat it.
Throw it away.
Throw it away. You said you don't like it.
Oh, that was good.
1 out of 5, I don't like it.
All right.
Hey. Ow.
All right. We have this last candy, Lihing Jumbo Sour Watermelon. You can't go wrong with watermelon candy.
The sour watermelon one? This remind me of all the gummy candies you get from Mid City. Just with Lihing on it. Watch out, Siege. There's no more chocolate for you.
All right. Lihing sour watermelons. Let's try this. Yep. Let's go.
I'm 5 out of 5.
5 out of 5.
Yeah.
I gotta get another one.
Really good.
What's another one?
And I'll save my taste for the other ones. I still got the butters to try. And the
Right.
guava.
What I say with the candies? And I'll also put the address down on the description if you are traveling to Hawaii and want souvenirs. You guys can check this market out.
Yeah, because apparently you can't get those candies from the ABC store anymore. You can only get them from the store or Walmart.
Yeah, and they have a bunch of other stuff there too.
And the Don Quijote store, it's not that expensive.
All right, we're gonna try the jelly.
Ooh.
I don't want
Alright.
jelly.
You gonna try it? Okay, 3 spoons each.
No, I'm gonna use this spoon for it first. I'm just give you guys little small ones. So this is the guava jelly. Take your spoon. Careful. Wait, don't try yet.
I'm not gonna try it yet.
Well, I have extra spoons, so you can just use that one.
No, this is for a scoop.
Oh. Don't say you get mixed.
It's alright.
Alright,
All right.
jelly.
Guava jelly.
Cheers.
Try this out.
Wanna try it?
Mm.
Wanna try it?
That's
Ooh.
actually good.
Really, really sweet though.
Ooh. I like all that.
That's good.
That's really, really
That's
sweet.
good. That's gonna be good on some like bread.
Uh-huh.
Like toasted bread. Yeah, that's good.
A 5 out of 5.
I'll do a 4 on that.
I have another spoon so we don't have to mix it.
Fall down on your chair.
No.
All right, butters. We'll try this one. Hapia butter.
Here.
Where's your spoon?
I just got a new one.
I have mine.
Hapia butter.
I have a bad feeling for this. Can I just?
This is just coconut.
It's
Hapia.
coconut.
I don't like coconut.
You'll try it. You'll like it.
I'll just do a tongue dip. And that's all, because I do not like coconut.
Let's smell it first. Smell like anything?
Doesn't smell like it.
Okay. Hapia butter. Let's go. Mmm.
I like that.
That's good.
Ooh, I like that.
Hapia butter. 5 out of 5.
I like that.
That was good.
I like that one.
Oh, that's butter. Supposed to put on toast and stuff.
I know I don't put butter.
All right.
Get another spoon.
Yeah.
Guava butter. Right there. Guava butter.
I have an extra spoon.
I'm scared about this.
You don't. Oh. I mixed it.
It's all right.
Tiny dip.
This is guava bella. It's like the sweet one that we just tried. The red one that we tried. But it's in
The whole
butter.
thing in your mouth. All right, guava butter.
Let's go.
Let's try it out. Mmm, that one was good too.
A little bit.
Oh my god.
It's
The
good.
butter is good.
I like here. This is a clean spoon to use for the liquor one.
It's actually good.
You like that one?
I want more of the guava jelly. It's so good. I love it.
You need toast. We don't have bread. All right, this one is the lilikoi butter. So lilikoi is the one that's
No, liquor is like
The fruit.
like passion fruit.
oh yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's like the tea.
Does it taste tea?
I found you.
Here.
There you go.
Wait.
This is what it looks like, guys. Stop, CJ.
All right.
Stop.
Stop Bella.
Lilikoi butter. Let's get it. Oh,
Oh
That's
man, those
good.
butters are hella good.
yeah, those butters. Butters, 5 out of 5. They're good.
Those butters are good. I've never had those before either.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, we didn't try this one.
Oh yeah, we can try that.
Those was good. And then we realized we didn't try this one, the Maui onion and garlic macadamia nut.
I bought a bunch of these.
Your dad ate all of them.
Oh my God.
Yeah, he was eating a lot of them earlier. Man, we should got more. I'm gonna go back to Hawaii now, guys. I'm gonna go back.
All right, this is Maui onion peanuts.
Let's give it one. These are
Maui
good.
onion peanuts.
We tried these ones there.
They're good. 5 out of 5.
Yeah,
Four
those are good.
out of 5.
But man, those butters.
Butters are good.
I like the barbecue.
Watermelon and pineapple candy.
Those are good here.
5 out of
From
5.
the bottom and just throw them away. There you go.
And then what else?
There's so much going.
The chocolates were good.
Chocolate were good.
Oh man. One thing we didn't get to try is the tea.
Yeah, we'll try the tea right now. All right, let's get 2 cups. So we're gonna try 2 teas.
I
Uh.
heated up the water already.
Get 2 cups, and then we'll just distribute.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna try these teas.
Hello, guys. Okay, geez. Don't get out the camera. I'm not sitting down on my chair. Stop. Then stop. Then go in the corner. It's not a corner.
I didn't put a lot.
We'll do a good amount.
One?
So they're just not as strong. Tea. Fruit.
I keep eating the deli.
You need bread.
No.
No.
I want it by itself. No.
This barbecue luau, really good. Get your cups.
Couldn't get you a cup. I couldn't get you a cup.
All right. So 1 cup. We'll put the passion fruit, tropical black tea, and then the other one is
The tropical medley.
tropical milk tea.
Okay. The blessed cup is the tropical medley. Smell it. Hui.
You can smell it.
Are you using the bathroom, CJ?
Get your cup.
You gonna try the tea? Get a cup.
Let's smell it first. This is the tropical or the black tea.
That's the passion fruit.
Oh, this smells so good.
Ooh, the tropical medley.
Oh, it smells the same. Right?
Oh, they do. Well, no, this one smells more like tropical-ish.
This one smells tropical.
I can smell the passion fruit on that one.
Yeah.
I wonder if the taste is good. It's a little warm. So we gotta sip it very, very.
No. You don't need it. We're gonna give you some from here. We'll just give you a little bit. All right. First, we'll try this. This is the tropical. Or the, I know. Give it to me.
Bathroom.
This is tropical black tea.
You're gonna get step on them.
Okay, here, Bella.
Careful,
Blow it
it's hot.
first. Blow it first. And then you could just drink it.
Stop. CJ.
Blow it. Blow it. Blow it. Come on, let's try this. All right, tropical black tea.
No, that one's the the passion fruit.
Oh, passion fruit.
They're both black teas. That's just the passion.
Oh, that's good.
That's
That
the
is
passion
good.
fruit
I don't
flavor.
taste anything. Even though it's really hot.
Okay.
You can taste you don't taste it, it's the aroma. It's more like when you drink it, you can.
Stop, CJ.
That one's good.
I have something hot in my
Taste the,
hands.
yeah.
Oh, I like that one.
Finish that one, Bella, so I could give you this one. You'll taste it. It's like perfume.
No? Not for you? Okay. It does help too with us being sick drinking the tea.
Yep.
You want to try this one too, Bella, or no?
No. It's gonna taste like
Alright, try that one.
Alright, this is the tropical medley.
CJ, don't do that.
The smell of it's hella good. Ooh. You could taste more of
Bye.
the flavor.
Yeah, has a more stronger
Flavor. Like
tropical flavor.
taste. I like the passion fruit one though. A lot more. Okay. I like the passion fruit. Which one do you like?
I like this one.
The passion fruit?
Passion fruit for me.
Yeah, I
But
get
yeah,
it. So this was it. The one in my cup, the blessed cup, was the tropical medley flavor.
and I got the
Passion fruit.
passion fruit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. All the stuff we got. I got my cutting board. We're gonna be doing some mukbangs on it, putting some food. It's pretty cool. Some pineapple, as you can see. And then the surfboard, candies. Pretty much it. Anyways, like this video and subscribe. We're almost at 200 subscribers. But yeah.
Oh, and let us know what are your guys' favorite Hawaiian snacks.
Yeah, let us know what your one.
Because next time we go, we'll try them out and we'll do a review on them also.
Yeah. We wanted to get more, but it's just too expensive, and so.
We just got the little things for right now. And
But
we'll
next
get more
time we'll go. We'll probably save just to buy snacks on the way home.
Yep.
Anyways, till next time.
We out.
We out. Peace.
Peace.